Why is exercise important for cats? Exercise isn't just about physical health, it's about mental well-being too. A fit cat is more likely to maintain a healthy weight, avoiding issues like obesity, diabetes, and arthritis. Physically active cats also maintain stronger muscles, which is crucial as they age. How much exercise do cats need? For cats, exercise needs vary based on age, personality, and even breed. Kittens are usually little energy bundles, needing at least an hour of playtime each day to burn off that extra energy. Adult cats, on the other hand, usually need around 30 minutes of activity daily to stay fit. Plus, the mental benefits are huge. Exercise keeps their minds sharp, reducing anxiety, boredom, and even destructive behaviors. A playful, active cat is usually a happier, more social one.